Welcome to this video tutorial on how to map trees using the Interval Cartospot website. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of identifying and updating tree locations, adding new trees, and providing key information about each one. Start by going to the website http://interval.cartospot.com. You will find the link in the video description below. Click the Let's Create Greener Cities button. You'll then see a map of Crumlin split into 10 areas or teams. Simply click on the team you want to map. This will zoom into that specific area. Example, if you're mapping in Team C, click on that section. Use the plus button on the map to zoom into your garden or area you want to map trees. The system has already tried to pinpoint trees using aerial imagery, and these are marked with red dots. However, it doesn't always get it right. If the number of red dots doesn't match the number of trees in real life, you can fix this manually. Blue dots indicate that there is data already added for these trees. To edit information for a red dot, click on a red dot to open the tree information window. Answer the question, does a live tree exist here? If yes, proceed with entering more details. If no, press the Submit Data button, and the dot will turn gray, indicating that a tree doesn't exist there. If you clicked Yes to the last question, you must now identify the species. Identify the species of the tree using a separate app like PlantNet. You can download this from your App Store or find it online. If your species does not appear in the list, search for Other. A new text box will appear where you can type in the next species name. Rate the health of the tree based on these categories. Excellent. The tree is thriving, with no visible damage or signs of disease. The leaves are vibrant and the branches are full and strong. Very good. The tree is generally healthy, though you may see minor issues such as a few dead branches or slight leaf discoloration. Good. The tree shows some signs of stress, like wilting leaves, minor insect damage, or early signs of disease, but remains relatively stable. Fair. The tree is struggling, showing moderate issues such as several dead or dying branches, significant leaf loss, or damage to the bark, but it still has the potential to recover. Poor. The tree is in poor condition, with significant issues like large areas of dead branches, deep cracks in the trunk, or clear signs of disease such as fungal growth. Measure the tree's circumference at breast height. For single-stem trees, use a tape measure around the trunk at approximately 1.3 meters, 4.5 feet above the ground. For multi-stem trees, measure the circumference of each stem at the same height and add them together. Notes: if you spot anything unusual about the tree, like fungus, leaning, or anything interesting, make sure to add it to the Notes section. Upload an image that includes some leaves and the bark of the tree by click the Upload Image button. When you're done entering information, click Submit Data to save your updates. The red dot will turn blue. If there is any issue, you can refresh the page of your browser, adding a new tree. If the number of trees is incorrect and you need to add a new tree, click Add New Tree button at the bottom of the page. Place a new marker by clicking on the exact location of the tree you want to add. This will create a new red dot. Once the dot is added, follow the same steps as editing a tree for entering the tree's information. Press Submit Data to finalize. Repeat this process for all the trees in your garden or area you want to map. The goal is to have a blue dot representing each tree, which means all relevant data has been added and the mapping is complete. That's it. By following these steps, you'll help ensure accurate tree mapping in Crumlin. Thank you for participating in this important project, and happy mapping!